Hello guys, this is my new channel. It's Airsoft 210, and I used to have just a normal vlogging channel, but I'm going to start with Airsoft. And this is the Tactical Force 6XP blowback pistol, CO2 powered. I'll hold about like 15 or 16 pellets with 20 gram .6 or 6mm 20 gram BBs, and it has very nice sights on it. The clip, I can't really do it with one hand, but I'll do the full review in the next video. But here's the shooting test. I'm going to be shooting at that red Coke can, and here's the safety. Put that to fire, and here we go. And this slide locks back right after you get done shooting it, and there's no pellets left, and yeah, slide locks back, so that's pretty nice. And here's the mag. It's just a stick mag, but it's still pretty okay. And right in there is where you put the CO2 in. You lift this lever up, there's CO2. So yeah, I'm gonna put that back in there. And you can just press this and it'll put that back there. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'll do a better video next. I'm just putting a test video out. Alright, bye guys.